Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open My Eyes Only in Snapchat without the passcode. So first of all, we will go into the Snapchat mobile application, and after that you have to just click over here, which is on left side. Okay, and after that you have to scroll on My Eyes Only, and here you can see that it required a passcode. So if I try to enter here wrong password, you can see that I will not able to open My Eyes Only. So on the below right side you will see an option, just click over that, and here you will get two options, that is change passcode and forget passcode. So if you click on change passcode, you can see you have to write please enter your passcode again first. So basically you can't access this if you don't have the passcode, so we have to choose the second option, that is forget passcode. And after that we have to enter our Snapchat account passcode. So let me just do it. Okay, so I have entered my Snapchat account password, and after that here I get an option you to recreate your password. So if I just click over here and if I click on continue, I mean all my snaps will be get deleted and I will have no access to it. Okay, so here you can see that I have to create a password, and if I create a password, all my data will be get erased. So basically you can create a new account. I mean you have to create a new passcode, and after that all the old data will be get deleted and you can store the new data. So I hope guys you are able to understand that how you can open this My Eyes Only without a passcode. Basically you have to change it. Okay, so this is it guys. I hope you found this video really helpful. If you did, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.